Okay.
Perfect. So we're gonna start with the carob brownie. So for doing our carob brownie, here in SHA we don't use eggs, we don't use sugar, we don't use refined flours. So we're gonna use all these other type of ingredients. Instead of eggs, we're gonna use sweet potato. That's baked sweet potato. You can substitute it with pumpkin. Okay, if you like the taste of the pumpkin, roast a bit of pumpkin and then you mash it.
Okay.
So you have like a paste. I do the same with the sweet potato. Then we don't use refined flours. This one is rice flour. Here we use, instead of sugars, we use maple syrup that you can substitute also with other type of liquid syrups. Then here I have rice milk, organic sunflower oil, not the sunflower oil that we use for frying, okay? This one you can substitute it also with coconut oil.
Do you think it makes it too sweet? Do you think that the coconut oil makes it too sweet?
It gives a bit of the taste, so that's why I use organic sunflower oil.
Okay.
But if you don't want to use it, why some people they don't want to use sunflower, okay, coconut
Okay.
or avocado oil.
Okay.
It's another option. Then instead of cacao, carob.
Carob, yummy.
So carob is our substitute for cacao. Why you don't have this up and downs like with the cacao or with coffee, that you have these up and downs of energy. This one has a lot of fiber and it's more neutral.
Okay.
Then almond flour, baking powder, and a piece of vanilla. Do you have some allergies to nuts?
No.
No? Do you like pistachios? Walnuts? Okay, so
Oh,
today
yeah.
inside we have our pistachios and walnuts. So we start adding the liquids. I start all the time with the liquids. Why? If you start with the flours, it sticks and then it's more complicated for mixing.
That's a very good tip.
Then the rice milk. This one also you can substitute it with almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk, any vegetable milk without sugar that you like. Sunflower. And then here we have the almond flour, carob, baking powder, rice flour.
I like the combining of flours, it really is.
Yes?
Yeah.
And the last thing, anytime that you do something sweet, pinch of salt. A little pinch of salt, so we release the sweet flavor, okay? And then this, we're gonna mix it, but also with the vanilla. So the vanilla, I never use vanilla extract, okay? Or vanilla in liquid. You know why?
I've heard some horrible things. Natural flavors.
It's true.
Yeah.
So it's not vanilla. What you buy, if it's liquid, it's not vanilla. If you buy the expensive one, normally it's what I throw away from the vanilla. With agave, they boil it and they sell it like vanilla. Or the cheap option that it's from the extract from a gland from an animal. And it smells like vanilla, but it's not vanilla. So I don't recommend it. So vanilla, we cut it in half. Okay. So we cut our vanilla in half.
Isn't there like, is Tahitian? What kind of vanilla?
I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't know.
Yeah.
But any vanilla leaf gives a lot of flavor. Then you have special vanillas, but they are really, really expensive. So this one cost like €5.
Okay.
So it's okay, and you can smell it. Smells really
Yummy,
good.
yeah.
We're gonna use only the seeds from inside. Okay? Only the seeds. So we scratch the seeds.
Yeah, that smells great.
Okay. And with this, you can use it again. So you can put it in your vegetable milk. So you have a vanilla milk. I use it for doing porridge. Why? Here you have a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
So put it inside your porridge, vegetable milk, anything you want. Also, if you want to use everything, you can blend it You can blend it, boil it with a little bit of agave, and you have your
Yeah.
vanilla extract. So that's the easy way.
Yeah, that's actually a great idea. That's a good gift to friends.
And now we mix everything.
Do you have an opinion of glass versus metal?
This one is not metal, a normal metal.
Okay.
I use titanium.
Okay.
So,
Of
but
course.
for me the problem is only if you cook. So for mixing or so, you can have any type of bowl. It don't gives nothing bad to
Okay.
your food. If you cook, it's really important that you have really good materials. Why? Stainless steel, copper, the new ones, okay? Copper, aluminum, all these type of metals or non-stick, they give toxins, heavy metals, and allergies. So they give a lot of problems. So here I use only titanium for cooking. Why? Titanium, they use it also in your body. If you have an operation, they put inside your body titanium. They don't put copper,
Right.
they don't put gold, they don't put all the type of metals. Why? Why is the only material that don't give heavy metals, toxins, nothing bad to your body. So it's the best of the best. So for cooking, if you want the healthiest option, is titanium. It's really expensive, but also the good thing about titanium, it has life guarantee. So you never change these pots or these pans. And the normal pots and pans, every year or every 2 years, you need to change it. Or if you scratch your pot,
Yeah, it's
you need
done.
to change it.
Yeah.
So with this one, you never change this type of pans and pots.
Oh my gosh. Look what is happening.
That's smelling.
So good.
So now, let's get into the middle. We have our mix,
Okay.
and we're gonna use also some nuts.
Okay.
So we have these nuts. First, I scratch it a little bit, so it's easier for cutting. And now you have two options. You can do it like little pieces of brownie, but I think at home we're gonna do it like a normal one. So
Okay.
today I think it's a really nice option also.
Okay. So there's no oil on it, just on the parchment
Now
paper.
directly inside,
Yeah.
directly in a tray with a oven paper.
So yummy.
Then when we have it, we cut it
Okay.
in pieces and ready.
Amazing.
So now
So this just stays there for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
30 minutes,
Okay.
180 degrees.
Okay, I think that's 350. Into the oven. And it's convection.
I have it in air. So now 30.
That is fancy. I love that dial. Holy moly. That's great. Yeah,
We have it.
that's so fun.
Yum!